This is Maple Leaf. This piece is written in a rag style, and this became an influence for development of jazz. It is composed by Scott Joplin, who was one of the most important and famous piano players in the United States. So here is the piece. So now this is the tutorial how to learn it. Check the left hand first. And then this is the first line, and the first line needs to be repeated twice because there is sign of repeat. So this is the first line with the repeat. And here is the fingering. It starts from 5, then 3, then 2 notes here. And then I suggest to change one finger, which is suggested. Then 4 for C sharp, and I would suggest D with the third finger. Repeat. 4, 3. Then the rhythm in the right hand is quite complex. It has syncopation. So counting is following: 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 like this. Here is the slower tempo: 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 here is the first line with both hands playing at the same time. Here it is in the slower tempo. So this is probably the most difficult line, and everything else is slightly simpler. The second line has 2 notes in the left hand. These 2 notes are A flat and G. Just 2 notes: A flat by 4th finger and G with 5th finger. And here is the counting: 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure to play accent on A flat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then again, simple right hand. We have 3 notes in the right hand: C, E flat, A flat. And the fingering is following: 1, 2, 5. And then so we play G here. Here is the counting: 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and it is easier to play it with the left hand because then you have syncopations completely measured. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4 and so the second half of each measure has this left and right play one after another. Then starting from the next page, it looks like you have many notes, but it is actually very simple. Check only the first half of the first measure. then everything else will be repeated and it is just the same. So it starts with following notes. Note C in the left hand, and right hand will play 3 notes. E flat, G, and C. And then you just move to the next octave, and next. So first find note C, and then play it in 4 octaves. The fingering is following. First you need to play by 5th finger, then prepare 2nd, and play the rest with the 2nd. Then check the right hand. E flat, G, C, and then play it 4 times. Then play together. Then it starts with piano and goes with crescendos. So starts very softly and goes with a louder dynamic. Then check the pedal. So this is the only spot we play with pedal. Press the pedal with C. And lift it with the next chord, which is on 7th measure. Now we will continue. 7th measure, 2nd line of the 2nd page. So here we have chords F sharp, C, and E flat. And these chords will be repeated 4 times. Then measure 8 has different notes, G, C, E. So just find these chords F, C, E flat, and then next will be G, C, E. And here how we play them. The fingering is the same. Now right hand has this music. Again it has syncopation. This is how we count it. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Syncopation is the beat which is replaced. So the strong beat would be 1st, 2nd, 3rd and 4th beat. And syncopation is when we emphasize and, 1 and 2 and, when we emphasize not strong rhythm, not strong beat. So here we emphasize 4 and in the 8th measure we emphasize 3 and 4 and 3 and 4 and. So the strong beat is replaced. So here how we count it. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Now playing without counting. This is measure 9. Prepare 2 notes, A flat and G in treble clef. And then 2 chords, G, F and C, E. This is the counting. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and the other hand. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Playing again. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Basically we use 3 notes. This and then this. So pay attention to E flat, then E natural, then E natural again. The measure 11 and 12 will be the same, just different octave. So starting from measure 7 to the end, it is easy to learn because the music is the same. 2nd and 3rd line and then 4th and 5th lines are the same. So playing from measure 7, 2nd line. Then we repeat. So if we play 2nd verse, we have note G. connected with the repeat. If we play the second verse, we play just the end, like that. So I'm playing from measure 13, and first I will play first verse and connect it to the repeat, and then I will play second verse. First verse. Now I'm playing from measure 13, and I'm playing it as second verse and finishing the piece. Thank you.